Hey guys, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm just doing a grocery haul. So yeah, I ordered food from Mom's Meals. So I just want to see what type of good, healthy, nutritious foods they done sent me. The box seemed like it's real heavy. So I know they got some good, good healthy meals in here for me. So let's go and get into it. I'm going to unbox, We got all this. Wow. Some nice stuff in here. I seen the UPS guy when he dropped it all and everything. They got like an ice pack in here. Got Mom's Meals on it. That's a nice little business. Oh, it's like already like prep cooked foods and everything. It looks very healthy. They got buttermilk pancakes, egg patties. Wow, this looks really good. They got waffle, Kobe cheese omelets, already made like prep, healthy food. Biscuits. Pepper steak with gravy. This is good, especially for like, sometimes, you don't always like feel like cooking, So this is something easy. It's already prepped up. You could just, either warm it up, in a microwave or just, put it on the stove. It's already prepped, already got its seasonings in it, everything in it. This is another waffle Kobe cheese omelet. It looked like it has like apples or something. Apples on the side, like cinnamon apples. This look yummy. Home style meatloaf with penne pasta. You just heat it up, basically. Heat for 2 minutes, peel back, film, and stir. It's good with like vegetables, corn, and carrots, and green beans. Some nice stuff in here, guys. Sweet and sour chicken. This look good with rice, broccoli, and corn. Really good, guys. Some nice things in here. A lot of biscuits. Yeah. Barbecue chicken, potato medley, and seasoned green beans. This look really yummy, guys. I'll probably eat this, right after I finish doing this video. This look really good. So, yeah, this chicken with potato medley. So good. Wow, it's like I got food for days. Home style meatloaf with vegetables again. What else we got up in here? Vegetable primavera. It got like penne pasta. Look like hot apples, cinnamon apples, corn, red peppers, mixed vegetables, peas, carrots, and corn. I ain't got no space for home. Wow, guys. Spaghetti and meatballs with broccoli. Pepper steak with gravy. And this look like, what is this? Salisbury steak with rice, brown rice. This food looks so yummy, guys. They got chicken and waffles and peach crisp with like dried up, what is this? Peaches, waffles, wheat flour, like dried up wheat. This looks really good. Kobe cheese omelet. Look at all these ones we got left. You could come a little close so they can see. We got so many right here, so many over here. We have like oranges, so many different like sauces. It's just so much to go through, guys. More barbecue chicken, potato medley, seasoned green beans. But I just want to say thank you to Mom Meals, you know, for sending me these healthy, nutritious, prep cooked, already made meals, because, you know, with the pandemic going on and everything like that, and kids being home all day, they really don't give you, the kids don't give you enough time to really like cook, because they always like, Mommy, I'm hungry, or Mommy, can you play with me, or, you know, can you help me, you know, can you put up the swimming pool? Can we do homework? Can you read a book to me? Like, it's never really like time that you have to always like cook. So it's always good to sometimes have already prep cooked meals, you know, because it seems like my kids don't be going to sleep, you know. They kind of be up like all day, and I don't really have enough time to myself or even to cook, you know, like home cooked meals all the time. You know, I cook home cooked meals, but sometimes it's kind of hard to do that when, you know, it's like the kids is always home all day, you know. And it's been going on since, of course, March, you know. But so it's kind of like hard for kids, you know, hard for the kids and hard for the parents too, because sometimes the parents need a break and need a little time to relax. So, you know, it's good. I just want to thank, you know, Mom's Meals again for giving me some prep cook meals, so I don't always gotta just go in the kitchen, and, you know, sometimes it take a long time to make a meal, you know. So this is good to just have, you know, when the kids is hungry, I can kind of warm that up, you know, give me a little time that I could like relax to myself, because they stay up, like I said, you know, schedules all messed up right now. They, you know, kind of like stay up all day, you know. Sometimes all night as well, you know. I gotta force them to go to sleep, you know, basically, because it's just, you know, sleep patterns just all messed up right about now. Since, of course, March, you know, they haven't been in school, so they kind of just like been staying up a lot. So it's just good to have, you know, little ready cooked meals like this, because sometimes I don't always be able to cook a big old home cooked meal. I do, you know, at least 3 to 4 days out of a week. But this is just good, you know, for lunchtime, or, you know, just in case, you know, I'm busy, I'm trying to, you know, shoot a video or something like that, and I don't want them, like, you know, keep bugging me like, Mommy, I'm hungry. So this is good. I can just pop this in the microwave or however and heat it up. So that's a good thing, you know. But thanks again, Mom Meals, for, you know, giving me my prep cook, already made, nutritious, healthy meals. And guys, I hope y'all like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll see y'all on the next. Bye, guys.